Hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me again for another whole body weight workout. Today is your favorite time. It's time for the ab aerobics and today's sit-ups workout boot camp suite. Ab aerobics work, boot camp suite. I can't even spit it out. I'm so excited. So basically, what I like to do, I'm a firm believer in doing strength training for abs and also doing aerobics at the same time, just as a way to multiply. I'm always looking for ways to multiply the effects of my workouts, to get the maximum benefit out of the workout in a very short amount of time. Okay, so I'm going to use this chair to do crunches. I'm going to mix the crunches with aerobics. So start with the crunches, then do some aerobics, then do some sit-ups. And just keep doing this until you sort of max out, basically. Okay. So with crunches, as I mentioned before, this is a cushion chair, so it makes it a little more difficult because your butt is not sitting on a very firm surface. But that's okay. It's a different angle, it's a different position, so therefore it adds some variation to the normal chair, the hard chair that I normally use. It just makes it a little more challenging because you're leaning back a little bit. But with the crunches, there are three basic footing positions. I can stick my feet close, like so, and do them like this, about middle ways from my body, and then far from my body. Okay, today I'm going to do the middle of the range because I've recently done these ones and also the far ones. I'm going to do the middle of the range today, so I basically put my feet at about the middle position out from my body. Okay, and then just do a normal crunch. Some side crunches in there. Target the obliques. Okay. All right, so there we go. There's your crunches, and one more set. I'll do one more set of these, and then I'll jump to the aerobics. I like to do like a couple sets. Just kind of keep your feet together and keep your form very straight and correct. That's good enough. All right, so then aerobics, you can do any kind of aerobics. Basically I like to do this one, just kick my knees up as high as I can, pick my arms up as high as I can. It's a very effective workout, just kind of like walking upstairs or something. Walking upstairs while you're, throwing your arms up in the air. Okay, and then to target the obliques, do the leg swing side to side. I'm a firm believer in this one. I really love this one. This really targets the obliques, which can be very difficult to target in some ways. Okay, and then do the twist. Okay, just kind of twist your body as your leg comes up. Again, this is great for the abs, great for the obliques, and you're also getting some aerobic exercise at the same time. Okay, and then there's the Apsara. Just kind of lift your legs up to the side. Really good for the obliques. Really targeting the obliques and the overall abs too. Okay. All right, and then let's jump to the sit-ups. All right, so see, just sit on the floor, There are a few different positions. You can do sit-ups. You can do them far, basically farther out. You can do them about middle ways, sort of like the crunches, and you can even do them close in. Okay? I'm going to do them close today. Close in. Okay? You can also do them with your hands behind your back. Okay. And just try to be in control of the motion. Just so you know, control the upward and the downward motion, especially the downward motion. You can go up as fast as you can, but bring it down slowly, you know, bring it in the bottom of the range of the motion, the negative resistance. Okay. Okay. Just kind of hold on the way down. All right. Go right back into the crunches. Okay, so again, just strength training and aerobics all mixed together in a very short workout, very intense but short workout, okay? Intense but short. I like intense but short. Belt came loose there. The belt clasp. And again, I'm doing the middle footing position. Whew. And it does get more challenging as you keep going. As you go, it gets more challenging. All right. Back to. Okay, that's 2 sets. All right, so get up and do some aerobics now. Hey, again. Your arms up, your legs up. Get that aerobics in there. Get your heart rate going. Your blood flowing. Heart rate going. Get your blood flowing. Sounds like an R&B song, doesn't it? Get your heart rate flowing. Get your heart rate going. Get your blood flowing. Baby, baby. Wow, that's not bad. Surprising myself. I need to work out more often to improve my singing skills. Okay. All right, so let's go. Be an R&B singer. All I gotta do is work out all the time. Okay, here we go. Sometimes it takes you a while to get motivated, you know? Especially if you're doing your exercise in the morning. It takes a while to get motivated, but once you get motivated, you get that adrenaline going. Oh, you feel good. All right. Twists. Just twist your body and bring your knees up as high as you can. Okay, and then the Apsara. Just bring your legs up to the side. Yeah, I'll tell you, if you do this workout a few times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, ideally 3, you will lose weight. You will lose that gut. You don't need any machines. Just need to get your butt up and move that body and move that butt. All right, that's all it takes. That's all it takes. You do it at home, in your bedroom, hotel room, if you're traveling, anywhere. All right. So again, we're doing close. Hands behind the head. Oh. Woo. Yeah, it does get pretty exhausting. That's okay. You know, tiredness is not a bad thing. It's good. It means you're working hard. It means you're putting in the effort. Okay. Whew. Getting a little weary. Getting a little weary. Okay. Oh. You know, be forewarned, it is an exhausting workout. I'm not saying it's easy, it's just a quick workout. It's quick and intense. You know, as I said, it's a quick and intense workout. Okay, again. Mid-previous position. If you do this workout 3 times a week, you will not have a fat problem. Guaranteed. Ah. Oh. All right, well, we're definitely doing less and less. But that's good. It means we're getting closer to the end than the beginning now. Okay, so just lift those legs up as high as you can, arms up as high as you can. Okay, feet side to side. Excellent for the obliques where you can really feel those. All right, Sarah, switch it up this time. Do the Sarah first, then the twists. You know, you can feel free to add your own aerobic workout, your own favorite aerobic workout into the exercise with the crunches and the sit-ups. Oh, at the same time, okay? And then do the twist. Oh, just these aerobic exercises alone have so much fat burning power. The twisting and the lifting your legs and everything. Powerful stuff. Powerful stuff for weight loss. All right. So. Okay. Definitely getting close to the end. Okay, just try to hold them on the way down. All right, let's do a couple quickies, and then we're gonna have to call it a day. That's a pretty exhausting workout, pretty intense, but very short. Only takes a couple minutes. Fantastic. Combining strength training and aerobics, cross training basically, just multiplies the effect of fat burning and toning, okay? Yeah, it's getting tough now. All right, pretty tough now. Okay, right back into a few more aerobics. Knees up, arms up. Okay, side to side. You have to swing those hips to one side, swing your foot to the other side. really target those obliques, which is such a problem for so many people. It used to be such a problem for me. Well, they still are. I mean, I stopped doing these. Oh. Okay, let's do the twist first. Then the twist. Twist your body. Bring your knee up. All right, and then Hapsara. Just bring your knee up. Bring your leg up. Side of your body. Using your arms for balance, primarily. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. I'm tired. All right. Sit-ups. This should be the final one. Okay. Close position. Okay. Woo! Too many of those. All right, one more time. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that, ladies and gentlemen, that is about the end of the workout. So that was quite an effective workout. Again, combining the aerobics with the strength training, it really multiplies the effectiveness of the ab workout, the midsection workout, for weight loss, for toning, for strengthening the ab area, so that you can strengthen the ab area, so that is also good for your lower back. It also helps to keep your lower back in good shape too. So doctors tell me. But anyway, that is that workout takes about, well, I'm about 17 minutes now, so under 20 minutes, give or take. Strength training, aerobics, fantastic workout. That is the best. I've tried so many ab workouts, as I've said in previous videos, and that is the best one. That has helped me to tone, and I'm not a young man anymore, and that really helps to keep me in shape. Whereas if I didn't do that workout 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, every week, I would have major fat problems, like normal people do, like many people do. And I'm not putting you down. I'm just saying, if you wanna lose it, this is the way to do it. That is the best workout I've ever seen for fat loss and toning the midsection. Anyway, this is Byron, and I hope you enjoyed it. Everyone, keep motivated to work out at home. Remember what I say. Free, easy, cheap, convenient. You can do it at home, man. And it's like takes no time at all. That took me under 20 minutes, so there's no excuses. I mean, you can just use any furniture you got anything you got in your house. You can use the floor, you can use the wall. You can put yourself upside down. If you want to do shoulder exercises and things, you can do like a handstand against the wall. Anything you can do you can get so creative with the home workouts. Anyway, stay strong, everybody. We'll see you next time in the next video, and thanks for joining me.